We're at the yeah. We're at the harbor. Kenapa perbaiki?
Itu udah. Dan itu udah ada kemari, ada tungguan. Ibu di sana ada. Itu kesian teman-teman kita tuh. Nih, tak tahu apa. Tak tahu gini. Ini ada pulang ya. Ya saya ajak ke sana ya.
Yeah.
Itu udah. Sama nggak jumpa. Ya.
Doing work at the harbor.
Para wisata bukan di sini deh.
Yeah. Okay, they're putting new.
That's a shame.
Okay, so getting the harbor ready, I guess, for the day when
We cannot go there, right?
this opens up. No, we can't go there. We get in the way. We can go over this way. Okay, so we're at the harbor today.
When I was little,
Mm-hmm.
this place is so better than now.
It's so better. It was better than now. Why?
Because there's no stuff in it.
Yeah. Well, they're fixing it. So when COVID is over and the tourists come back, then it'll look nice and new.
But that are already broken.
What's broken? The statues?
Not the statue. Yes, I mean the statue and that thing.
Oh, the museum has been closed and shuttered up for a long time.
I just want to go to the museum.
Yeah, it's locked.
It's so new. When there's no COVID, is it the museum is open?
Yeah, when the COVID is over, the museum will open. Right now, everything's closed. Ooh, look at the flowers. They're so nice.
I like this color and this one.
Mm-hmm.
What is this color?
Oh, it's kind of like orange, right? So, not much going on at the harbor, although all the guys that hang out here are still here. Huh? And the famous temple here, Linguang.
That's the barong size goes.
Yes, this is where the barong size
They
from.
live here.
Oh, the temple is open today.
Let's go.
And there is what I want to video.
I am so thirsty.
Here, let's go over here for a minute. Because I want to see if I can come here another time with my drone. Wow, the river is almost completely closed.
Let's go down.
It's just sand today. Wow, dry. The river is dry. And so there is the mural that I want to get closer up. Unfortunately, none of my cameras have a zoom, so I'm thinking about using my drone to come over here, but not today. We'll see. So this is what's called the X Harbor, Buleleng X Harbor, and that's the hotel that used to be the what was it called? I forget the old name, but now is called the Singaraja Hotel. And that mural is something that I want to add into a video I'm doing on murals and street art in Singaraja. Okay, so we're at the entrance to the harbor, and it says closed until well, closed for a while. And so we're at the harbor. It says closed for a while, but the temple is open and people are here selling stuff. So life goes on, but can't get in. Come Come on, Zoe. Come on. No, it's a temple for praying. Okay, so this is Jalan Hasanuddin, and things in Singaraja are, well, happen on a Saturday. And so we're walking down Jalan Erlangga, and well, lots of building supplies here, water tanks, pots for plants, and my granddaughter,
What is this?
I don't know, it's in Chinese.
My friend, a boy, not Greg. Yeah, her name is Jackie.
His name. His name is.
He's not a girl. He's a boy.
Yeah, and what? You said what? Okay, all the building supply stores. He can write in Japanese.
I don't know
What? What?
Hello?
Well,
And he knows what is this Spanish flag?
yeah. Okay, shops are open. All the building supply stores. This is where we buy most of our building supplies. Okay. Hey, where are you going? You're gonna go that way? Or this way? All right. Here, follow me. Look out. Okay, something's going on at the Pura. Don't know what. This guy's gonna back up. Oh! Apa kabar? So, still Jalan Erlangga, and we haven't been down this way in a long time because the mini market there was closed for, well, over a year since the pandemic started, and they started closing things down. But it opened up recently, so we went there because it has beer of different types, which is very exciting. So this is Masjid Anur. So in this part of town we have lots of masjids. What? Okay, busy. What? Pagi, Bu. Yeah. Oh. Okay. This place has lots of generators and all sorts of stuff. We've shopped here over the years, and this is where we buy a lot of our furniture. some stuff that we have made by hand, which we have in the kitchen.
Hey, I don't want to buy furniture.
You've got furniture. Okay, and so we're about done with this. We're gonna head to the Alpha Mart and buy some food for the kitten, and then go home because this man